How to fix Voidtrain crashing on Steam. Go to the library, right-click on the game and open up the Properties window, and then go to Installed Files and click on Verify the integrity of game files, and wait for this process to finish checking. Once it's done, go to the General tab and add the following command to launch options, -dx11. Then you can close out of this window and close Steam. Next, you will need to open up your GPU application to update your drivers. Go to the drivers section if you have an NVIDIA NVIDIA GPU. So you will need NVIDIA app installed. Select Game Ready driver and then download and install the latest Game Ready driver. Next, you will need to open up your browser and then look for Redist in the search bar. Click on the first Microsoft link and then scroll down to the second table and make sure to download and install the 86 version and the 64, both of them. You can also repair the installation if you have these already. Next, you will need to reboot your system by clicking on Power and then Restart. And then before launching the game after the restart, you will need to run Steam as admin. Right-click on Run as admin. And then you can launch the game again, and that should fix the crash issue. Thanks for watching and subscribe.